In this episode, we'll be going through a detailed breakdown of the features displayed on the map and the points of interest in windy.com. Let us quickly go through these to understand better and see how users interact with them on the map. First, the particle animation shows you the streamlines of the wind. If you compare this to the pressure isolines, the wind often flows along the isolines. This is because of geostrophic flow, a concept we'll cover in our academy. Isolines are lines that represent constant values of a particular variable. On a hiking map, you may be familiar with contours, isolines showing land elevation. On the windy map, you have the option to overlay isolines for 4 different variables. Pressure isolines, also known as isobars, are helpful in meteorology for identifying weather systems such as low-pressure areas or high-pressure blocks. Geopotential height isolines measure height from Earth's mean sea level, where 0 is the starting point. Temperature isolines, or isotherms, indicate where it's hot and where it's cold. Freezing elevation, or the snow line, shows the altitude at which temperatures fall below 0. Since temperature generally decreases with altitude, this freezing point will always occur at some height, although reaching it might not always be possible without an airplane. Points of interest help users locate significant spots related to activities and weather monitoring. Here is a list of the points of interest which Windy currently uses. Empty map. This option lets you quickly remove all the other settings displayed on the map and view it in its original state. My favorites. This point allows you to view all your favorites on one map. Reported wind and temperature or recent precipitation. These points present current wind, temperature, and precipitation data for any selected station. In Windy, stations are sourced from airports, the World Meteorological Organization, personal weather stations, or ship buoys. Reported wind is useful for activities like sailing, kiteboarding, or paragliding, where precise wind conditions are crucial. Reported temperature allows users to compare forecasted temperatures with real-world measurements to assess the accuracy of weather models. And recent precipitation helps users identify areas with heavy or continuous rainfall that may lead to flash floods or river overflows. Airports. This POI feature displays airport locations around the world. By clicking on an airport, users can access detailed weather data specific to that location, including wind direction, temperature, visibility, and cloud cover. Airports often provide METAR and TAF reports, offering accurate, up-to-date weather data. Webcams. Webcams allow users to visually confirm real-time weather conditions such as cloud cover or fog. They are located across various areas such as beaches, mountain resorts, and cities, and can be added as favorites for quicker access. Windy.com is a valuable resource for adventure enthusiasts, offering detailed insights into the best spots for paragliding, kite surfing, and surfing worldwide. For kite surfers, the app provides accurate forecasts, including wind speed, wind direction, and wave conditions, allowing them to plan their sessions with precision. Paragliders can explore top flying locations globally, with weather forecasts tailored to their needs, such as thermal activity, wind speed, and wind direction, ensuring safe and enjoyable flights. Surfers, too, benefit from Windy.com's points of interest, which provide crucial weather and ocean data, including wind speed, swell direction, and wave height, helping them decide when and where to catch the perfect wave. Forecasted weather. This point shows the latest data for favorite spots and shows temperature, pressure, wind, humidity, or other values depending on the layer that is being displayed. Tide forecast. The tide forecast offers detailed information on tidal patterns, including high and low tide times and tidal heights. Radiation. This POI monitors radiation levels, which is essential for tracking environmental radiation due to events like nuclear plant accidents or other hazardous situations. Active fires. Active fires display real-time locations of wildfires globally. allowing users to monitor fire activity that might affect air quality, travel plans, or safety. Air Quality Stations delivers real-time air quality data for monitoring stations globally, essential for those sensitive to pollution or allergies. The point of interest tracks particulate matter, ozone, carbon monoxide, and more. Pollution levels are displayed on a 0 to 100 score scale. Radiosondes. Radiosondes are balloon-borne instruments that provide upper atmospheric data, such as temperature, humidity, and wind speed at various altitudes. Easily add any point of interest to your homepage by long tapping on it. Thank you for watching, and see you in the following tutorial.